Global Business Auctioneers. Under instructions from Mr. David Stimpson of SB Partners as a liquidator appointed to Universal Supplies Australia Proprietary Limited in liquidation, has an upcoming online auction. In our latest online auction, we have a large range of steel and pipe fabrication manufacturing equipment. A 2016 V-top laser engraving and cutting machine, and a 2017 CMT hydraulic CNC press brake. We also have motor vehicles including a 2012 Mitsubishi tray truck, two 2018 Toyota Hilux utes, and one 2017 Great Wall ute. Additionally, we have Yale and TCM forklifts, pallet racking, and a large quantity of new pipe valves and accessory stock suited for plumbing, mining, fire protection, and general industry use. For more details, head to the Global Auctioneers website today